Hey guys, Swapnil here back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the newly released OnePlus 10,000 mAh power bank. The color version which I have here is the black color version. And before we unbox this, let me give you an overview of the box itself. So on the front, we have this classic OnePlus packaging, the red and white color. On the front, we have an illustration of the power bank itself with the branding, the OnePlus logo. On the back, we have the price quoted as 1299, that's 1300 rupees. But I got it for 1100 rupees from Amazon. We also have our input and output ratings here. So it does get fast charge at 18 watts and it also charges our devices at 18 watts. But the thing is, it will charge at 18 watts through a single port, either USB-A or USB-C. But if we use multi-ports, it will charge at 15 watts. So we'll try that and we'll see how that works. We also have some other features mentioned here: dual USB port, 2-in-1 charging cable, low current mode, and 12 layers of safety protection. So I've already cut the tape here. Let's go ahead and let's see what do we have in the box. So alright, we have the power bank itself. Apart from that, we have a let's get started user manual for the power bank. It shows all the buttons and controls and whatnots. We also have the Red Cable Club card, and we also have our multi-port USB cable. So on one end we have our regular USB-A, and on the other hand we either have a USB Type-C or a micro USB. Let's keep the box and these things to the side and we'll take a look at the power bank. So here is the power bank. So this black color actually has this carbon fiber kind of a finish and it looks really very good. I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture the shine which it has, but it does have a shine to it which looks really good. We also have the never settle branding on the front, and this I believe is the LED indicator to show how much battery we still have left. On the front we have 3 ports, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C. To charge the power bank we'll be using the USB-C here, and to charge our devices I believe we can use all the 3 ports. So we'll try that out in this video. On the back we have some branding and some certifications and stuff. Also the OnePlus logo is here. We also have a button on the side. If we press the button, we can see the battery left. Let's go ahead and connect this to our device and let's see how everything works. So firstly we'll try the USB-A. So it says charging, it does not say fast charging. Let's try it with the now I think it does say fast charging. So this is the LG G7 and it does say fast charging. We'll try all the 3 ports and we'll see if it does support charging with all the 3 ports at once. So I have another Type-C cable here. I will plug this into my Galaxy Buds Plus here and let's see. It does charge. I also have this Type-C to Type-C cable. I will try to plug this to my iPad and see if that charges. So it does say charging now. So as you can see, it is getting charged. The phone is also getting charged, but it's no more charging, like no more fast charging. So that's something which we have to consider. and the buds stop charging. Okay, okay, they're already actually fully charged. We can try one thing. I have another power bank here. We'll plug it in. Yep, it does charge. So the iPad is charging, the phone is charging, as well as the power bank is charging. So yep, it does support 3 devices at once, but for fast charging, it will only support one device. So actually, I'll remove these devices here and I'll get back to the power bank. So this is the Realme power bank which I have been using previously, and this is my new power bank. They actually are very similar, and initially I thought that actually the OnePlus power bank would be a rebranded version of this, and it does look like that actually, but they have definitely added a USB port here. So if you're confused between these two power banks, I would suggest you to go with the OnePlus one because it has an extra USB port here. And with that, I think that would be it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, if you found this video useful and informative, do hit the thumbs up button down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on Twitter, link to which is in the description. Thank you guys for watching. And also, if you're interested in buying this device, the link to it is in the description from Amazon. If you do use that link, it does help the channel. So go ahead and do use that link. Thank you for watching.